Come test drive the 2018 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, trip computer, clock, MP3 player, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror, cloth seat trim. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Thank you.